Hi guys, good afternoon or good morning. Happy Easter, belated Easter to everyone. It's been a while. Hope everybody is okay and life is good with every one of you guys. Okay. Today is the first day I started work after the Easter. Today is Tuesday, and there is a little bit of obstacle today because we have a track block from 9 o'clock in the morning to 2 o'clock. So I finished loading around 9, and now it's almost one after 1 in the afternoon. So whilst I was waiting before 2, I thought of one thing, a question that I've been asked long time ago about why trackers have or why trucks have many driving mirrors, the use of all the driving mirrors. So it just came to me. I said, let's just make a video, a very short and simple video about this issue, and let's see how it goes. So here we are. So guys, as I was saying, the first question that one will ask is how many driving mirrors does each and every truck have or has? Okay, to me, I would say we have 6 driving mirrors. Okay, but somebody will also say we have 4 driving mirrors. But this is it. This is how I count them to be 6. Okay, we have 1. Let's bring this. Okay, we have 1, 2. Okay, then we have 3, which is up there. We have 4, 5, and we have 6. Okay, so for me, I say we have 6 driving mirrors. And why do we need all these driving mirrors? We need them for our safety and the safety of pedestrians and even cyclists and other cars. Okay, because there are some places that some mirrors doesn't see well. Now I explain. Okay, so the difference between this mirror and this mirror is very, very simple. Okay, if you see, this is a flat mirror. Okay, the big one is a flat mirror. But this one you see here is not flat. It's like a bit rounded. Okay, it's a bit rounded. Why is it a bit rounded? It's a bit rounded because being in that shapes, it sees far more than this particular one. And this one, everything or even any car that is coming behind you, you see it a bit far from the truck. This one gives you the exact distance from the truck. Okay, but the only thing that differentiate this and that is mostly when you are curving. Okay, because when you are curving, mostly like in a roundabout or in a junction, when you curve to a point, this mirror does not see again. But with this, because it's curved, it still helps you to see a bit far or behind you than this particular one. For example, if you see through this driving mirror, you realize that I just positioned the truck a bit not straight. Look at the tractor in the angle. You realize that the tractor is a bit balanced, curved, and the trailer is straight. I intentionally did it so to let you understand one thing. So as my driving position, I'm still in my seat. Okay, so let's look at the other side of the driving mirror. Okay, I have to go close for you to understand what I am saying, so I'll move closer. Okay, let's check it here. Okay, let's check it here. You see, because the tractor is a bit curved to the left hand side, if you look at this big driving mirror, what do you see? Let's use, okay, here, let me lower you down. Let's use the black, let's use this black, that is like a chalk. Okay, it's like when you, it is the last place that your trailer tire have to be when you are parking here. So let's look at this. You see, the most, even if I go closer with the phone, the most you will see is 2 or 3 of that. Okay, so but if I come to my sitting position, even at the passenger side, which is very close, what do I see? I only see 1 in the driving mirror. Okay, but let's come down to this particular mirror that we see. So if I come down, you realize that we can see almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the floor. You get me right? Okay, this is the reason why we have this and that as driving mirrors. Okay, so when I curve in this place, this big driving mirror doesn't help me to see more space behind, but this particular one will always help you to see more of the space that you don't see with the big driving mirror. Okay, and it also, these ones also help you to see your tires, the tires of the truck, and at least you see to the down, to the floor as the opposite side. Okay, then we will come to this particular driving mirror. One will say, then why do I need this? Yes, you need this because when you are driving, mostly in the cities where you have cyclists, pedestrians, and other things, okay, or even a very straight road, this driving mirror helps you see at least all this side of the tractor under the door in case there is somebody, there is an object or anything there. Then the last but not the least is this particular one that you will have it on your right, on the right hand side of your truck. What does it do? It is the mirror that helps you see under your truck, in front of your truck, under your truck. If you will see it through the mirror, you realize that you have it. It helps you see under the truck because you see, trucking, as huge as it has dark points where no matter how, it is difficult to see while driving. So this is the reason why we have all these driving mirrors. I hope it is very clear and safe as I make this video. I hope it's understandable. And then someone may ask, what of the new trucks with with the camera that don't have the driving mirror? Okay, let me explain to you. With the camera trucks, you will have a huge screen here, long one, huge, like the driving mirror. Okay, but in the screen, on the screen, you have 2 screens. Okay, you will get 2 screens the same as these 2 driving mirrors. Okay, and no matter how, it's either this mirror is there and this mirror is there, or they put another camera either up here or under here that helps you see all the front, and you still have it on the screen here. So it always the same whether you have camera or the you have the driving mirrors. I hope this is clear, and I hope it's more understandable. Okay, so before anything, let's try and put ourselves back in position. Then I will let you I will let you understand it very well. So now we try to put ourselves back in position as we were straight. Okay, good. So now I just put myself back in position. The tractor and the trailer is straight as it's supposed to be. Okay, so now check it out. From the other, as you can see, it is very straight, right? Okay, so let's check it out this way. Now you might understand exactly what I'm talking about from this point. If you look behind the trailer from the big driving mirror, now you can see only two of that chalk that blocks our tie when we park. But on the other side, which is the smaller driving mirror under it, you can see all the rest. Now you can see 8 of them on the floor. Okay, so this is the reason why we have all these driving mirrors. I hope it's very clear. Thank you very much, guys. If you have watched till this point, we all know what we need and we all know what to do. Like, share, and comment. Thanks, and meet you. See you later, guys. As usual, never give up. Ciao.